It's a government designated holiday for local schools and all. रास्ते बंद होंगे. हाँ. All right. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to take out. थोड़ी देर बाद दे दीजिएगा. I want you to take out the booklet. We are on the booklet. We are on Unit 1. It says long or short answers. Assalamu alaikum, Adisha, Ibrahim, Angela, Huzaifa, Mahwish, Mohammed Ahmad. Good to see you all. Now look, they all are, majority of the students are online. When you go next week, look at them, mashallah. When you go next week, I want you to be online as well, okay? Okay, somebody is saying, I want you to, walaikum salam. Could you please take out the booklets? Can you please take out the booklets, class? What we are doing is, we're doing that. We are doing that booklet. We are, yes, Fatma Zedi, you want to say something? Who is Fatma Zedi? Zinat. Yes. Fatma Zedi, yes. Please speak up. Okay. So, long or short answers? And Sibal, read it out for us. Okay, so we now, like, we need to be very clear what is the long answer and what is the short answer. We are going on page number 2 and 3. These are examples. I want you to read out page number 2 and 2, page 2 and 3 on your own. Kindly read page number 2 and 3 on your own. These are examples. And then after 3 minutes, we are going to start off with exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3, and exercise 4. Please start now. Read out the examples on page 2 and 3. Can you guys hear me? Rumesa, Assalamu alaikum. We are doing those pages. Ibrahim, thank you for showing that you understood. We are doing the booklet. Excellent. I am really happy with the attendance. Laiba, Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, thank you for coming in the class. We are doing the booklet. एक favor कर दोगे? Can you please just call Aman if he's around? In your booklets, I want you to read page number 2 and 3. Once you are done with page number 2 and 3, please start off with exercise 1. Page number 1, 2, and 3, read it, and then we are solving exercise 1. Look at the attendance, mashallah. Look at the online attendance, mashallah. Amna, Abdul Wasir Rao. Where is Huzaifa? Huzaifa is also there. Ibrahim is there. Mohammed Ahmed is also there. Good. Excellent. Good, good. I saw you. Thank you. Zenat, can you please stop playing with it? All right, are you done with the examples? Those students who are online, are you done with the examples on page number 2 and 3? Yes and no, unmute yourself and tell me. Are the speakers working? No. Okay, Ibrahim, you're still doing it. You may unmute yourself and also speak. Done. Please start off with exercise 1. Let's start off with exercise 1. We have period till what time? Done. Start with exercise 1 on page number 4. Now we are going to do it together, okay? Let's start with you. Look at the questions below and decide whether you're being asked to name something or explain something. Underline the words. You don't have to underline anything. Write name or explain on the line. So number 1, how could you tell which man had been to the top of the mountain? Please wait for your answer. Yes. Madam, page number 4. Okay. Yes, Safa, page number 1. How could you tell which man had been to the top of the mountain? Show me. Please don't talk. Please don't talk. Everything okay? Are you feeling cold? Sure. Okay. Safa, your turn. Number 1. How could you tell which man had been to the top of the mountain? Explain. That's the right answer. Next. In what way did the writer show his frustration? Name or explain? Explain. Yes, your turn. The new kid. Which word shows that the mountain was a frightening place? Okay. Yes. It's a name. Very good. Number 3 is name. Sibal, number 4. Wow, what had the writer seen before? That's good. Name. Number 4 is name. Your turn. Number 5. In what way did his means of transport change people's way of life? Explain. Yes, next one. Your turn. Number 6. What was it that changed in the 19th century? Name. And I think number 5 should be name as well. What do you think of number 5? Students who are online, what is your answer? I think number 5 should be name. What do you guys think? Let's see. Those students who are online, what do you think about number 5? Name. Okay, so Mohammed Basel Raza says name. Any other answers? I think it's explained. Why do you think, Josefa, it's explained? And it should be explained as it's asking for a way. In what way did his means of transport change people's way of life? I think it's explain. Explain is the right answer. 6, as you said, it's a name. 7, your turn. What is number 7? Explain, of course, it says in the word itself. Yes, number 8. List 2 things that cause the problems. Name. List 2 things. List 2 things that cause them problems. So it's going to be name. You're naming them. We go back to you, madam. Number 8. Number 9. The very look of the place was to give the meaning of the word very here. Explain. Give the meaning. Shouldn't it be explained? You're explaining the meaning, right? What do you think, Sabal? What do you guys think? What do you think of 9? What should be 9? Please unmute yourself. Don't send in chat. You can answer. You don't have to raise your hand. It's okay. Number 9. We can't hear you.
Name.
Name. Okay, Angela said it. So indoors, it's name. Good, Angela. Number 10. Whose turn is it now? Safa. Why did the author say he felt afraid? Explain. Yes. Next. 11. Give 2 reasons why fire occurred in the house. Explain. Sibal. What caused the sound? Name. Yes. Next one. Who spotted the oasis first? Name. Very good. 14. Yes. 14. How did we know that the young man was the first to spot the water? Explain. 15. Yes, sir. Sir, 15. Write down 2 words that show the woman was famous. Name. Very good. Now we are going towards exercise 2, and all those students who are online will be answering. Exercise 2, those students who are online will answer. Okay, so I am going to call out the name. You will unmute yourself and tell me the answer. What are the requirements of the question in number 2? Look at each question below and decide if you would expect the answer to be long or short. Write long or short in the space at the end of the each question. So Amna, let's start with you. No, Mohammed Basil Raza. What was found on Tenerife Island 5 or 6 centuries ago?
Sir, short.
Short, very good. Amna, your turn, number 2. What is surprising about this island today? You have to unmute yourself and speak. Amna,
Long.
what is surprising? Listen, you need to be together. Excuse me. What is wrong? We are on number 2. You people are talking with yourself. Be with me. Number 2, what is surprising about this island today? It's a short answer. Okay. Abdul Wasir Rao, number 3. Why do you
Sir, long.
think Bruneians wanted to prevent large ships from entering?
Sir, long.
Long answer, very good. Aisha, your turn. Number 4, what was the purpose of the stone walls?
Sir, short.
Short answers, very good. Number 5, Angela, why were the Europeans interested in Asia?
Short.
Okay, short. Arisha, your turn. Where is the evidence for these past events found?
Sir, short.
Short, very good. Ibrahim, your turn. Explain in your own words why the Portuguese capture of Malacca was important.
Long.
That's a long answer, very good. Okay, whose turn is it? Laiba. Laiba, your turn. Why is it fitting that 2 former sultans were buried in Kota Batu?
Long.
Long answer, very good. Next, Mohammed Basil Raza. What aspect of Brunei defense were the Spaniards most worried about?
Sir, short.
Excellent. Rumesa, your turn. Name the original capital of Brunei.
Sir, short.
Short answer. Very good. Yes. Okay, we have a query. The student is asking, Safa is asking, why 8 is a short answer? We never said it's short. 8. Sorry. Why is it a long answer? Because it's asking for a reason. So we have to explain over here. So it's going to be a long answer. All right, we are going on exercise number 3. We are going on exercise number 3. I am going to do with the students who are here in the class. Let's start with you. Number 1, write down 1 word from the paragraph that shows the journey was hard. A or B? Chup raho na. B is the right answer. Safa. Now it would be unfair because I don't give them a chance, so I'll go over there. Number 2, yes? What is the balloon contrasted with, A or B? Please stay quiet. A is the right answer. Next. Why did they light the gas? A or B? B is the right answer. Sibal, why do you think the passengers needed to be reassured? A or B? B is the right answer. Sir, your turn. Which word tells us what time of day it was? A or B? B is the right answer. Next, your turn. How do we know that the passengers could not choose which direction they went? B is the right answer. Your turn. What examples of wildlife did they say? A or B? A is the right answer. I'm going to go towards my online students now. Sayyida Zeenat Ali Zaidi, the writer compares the balloon to an aeroplane by talking about a seat belt. What other aspect of a plane is mentioned? A or B?
Sir, B.
A. A is the right answer. Muhammad Ahmad, your turn. Why were Europeans interested in Asia? A or B?
A.
A is the right answer. Aisha Irfan, what expression shows that Brunei knew a time of prosperity once before?
Sir, A.
B is the right answer. B. B is the right answer. Now you have time. I'm giving you 20 minutes. And in these 20 minutes, you are going to complete all these 20 questions. The skills that we have learned in these 3 exercises and the examples that we have seen and the examples that we have read on page 2 and 3, I want you to write down the answers of these 20 questions now. This should be done by 1 o'clock. Please hurry up. Online students, start doing it. Till what time do we have the period? 1 o'clock. Okay, listen to me, online students. Now you can do this. I'm ending the meeting. You can finish this. When I come tomorrow at 10:30, like 11:05 class, I'll start with this exercise. Make sure you do this exercise on your own. Do you want to stay online and do it? Or you will do it and when I come tomorrow, because I will be asking answers from you guys. So tell me what to do. Amna, Mohammad Ahmad, Aisha, Angela. Sir, tomorrow. No, I'm not asking tomorrow. You have to do the work right now. My question is that should I stay online? Do you want to be online or you want me to end the meeting? You will finish it on your own because it's a vague idea to keep your mobile or device open while you're just solving this. Rumesa, what do you say?
Sir, we'll do it now and you should end the class.
Are you sure that it will be done? No screenshots will be shared? Answer bata de wale.
No, sir.
Okay. So I am ending the class. Angela, what do you suggest?
Sir, end the class.
And when I come tomorrow, will this be done?
Yes.
I will ask all of you to switch on your cameras and show me the work that you have done. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Abdul Wasir Rao?
Yes, sir.
I will ask you to switch on your camera and show me the work. Ibrahim? Basil? What do you say? Please hurry up. Basil, what do you say?
Sir, we can finish it on our own. You can end the meeting.
Okay, beta. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.